Well, I might start with the idea that someone that calls off a lot from a shift may not actually be an excellent server. And it's with that mindset that you can develop the strategy on how to deal with this. It is fairly common that you will begin to notice patterns with some employees where they will call off late, they won't show, maybe they're a complete no-call, no-show. Or in this case, they have someone else calling on their behalf. Really, it makes no difference how they are calling off. If they're calling off with someone else, if they're calling off late, or if they're a no-call, no-show. It's something that the employer wants to deal with up front and not linger and get worse. These situations tend to get worse over time as the employee sees that the employer is not doing anything. Once an employee knows they're not doing something correctly, they go ahead and react to that and either improve or move down the line toward getting let go. If someone's unreliable, I would move them toward letting them know and then possibly going ahead and letting them go. The situation here is short-sighted to just be worried about their ability to collect unemployment. The best situation you have is a well-documented reason for a termination, not letting it linger around until you're fed up with it and you just all at once tell the person they never show up on time, so you're letting them go. Give the person a chance to improve, and if they don't, then you have a well-documented situation to avoid some other extraneous claim of discrimination, harassment, retaliation for complaining about wage and hour rules, that you could go ahead and show, no, this is our well-reasoned business decision for letting this person go. If they get unemployment, they get unemployment. That's a fact of life, but you will put yourself in a better position to avoid unemployment claims if you've given the person many warnings and they continue to ignore the employer's rules. There are certain instances where it can get to the point where you have gone ahead and given the employee good notice of your rules, they've clearly and willfully violated that, and the EDD denies unemployment. That's a situation that could happen. But when you're planning for this, you're planning not for the back end of trying to avoid unemployment. You're planning for the front end of running a business and letting them know what they're doing is unacceptable. You're putting that in writing. You're giving them a chance to improve. And if they don't improve, you're ultimately making the decision to terminate. So good luck with that. I hope it works out for you.